In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Parallax on Squarespace. Starting off, the world of website design is ever evolving, and one of the features that can really make your site stand out is the parallax effect. It adds depth and dynamism to your pages, giving users an engaging experience as they scroll through your content. But how do you enable this effect on your Squarespace website? Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Firstly, let's get you logged into your Squarespace account. Head over to the Squarespace website on your browser. Once there, you'll need to click on the login button. This will direct you to the login page where you have the option to continue with your Google account. Go ahead and click on Continue with Google. It's a fast and secure way to log in without remembering another password. From the list of accounts that appear, select the Google account you use to set up your Squarespace account. After you have logged in successfully, navigate your way to your specific website dashboard. You'll see a list of sites if you have more than one. Simply click on the site you wish to edit. With your site dashboard open, it's time to get to the nitty-gritty of enabling Parallax. Each Squarespace template has its unique way of adding effects, but I'll take you through a common path that applies to many. Look for the Edit button, which should be visible on the main dashboard or within the specific page settings you want to adjust. Upon entering the edit mode, locate the section you'd like to add the parallax effect to and click on Edit Section. In the section settings that appear, you'll find an option labelled Background. Click on this to access the background settings of the chosen section. Within the background settings, the key feature you're looking for is called Image Effect. Click on it to unfold the different effects you can apply to your background image. Here's where it gets interesting. Among the options presented, you'll find the parallax effect listed usually as the fourth option or labelled explicitly as parallax. Select this option to apply the parallax scrolling effect to your background image. Make sure to review the changes, and when you're satisfied with how the parallax effect looks on your site, don't forget to hit save. It's crucial because all the hard work you've just done will be lost if you navigate away without saving. And there you go. You've successfully enabled the parallax effect on your Squarespace site, giving it a more dynamic and immersive feel. Play around with it on different sections of your site to see how it transforms the user experience. Remember, the best websites are those that keep users engaged and interested. And features like parallax scrolling are a great tool in achieving this. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your Squarespace site. Thanks for watching.